Hi everyone. In today's lecture, we will discuss about program based on do while loop. So here we will see the program to check whether the given number is Armstrong number or not using do while loop statement. So in this lecture, I am talking about 3 digits number. So how can you define Armstrong number? See, if the given number is equal to the sum of the cubes of each digit of a number, then such number is called as Armstrong number. Fine, fine with this definition. Example, 153 is an Armstrong number because number is equal to the sum of cubes of each digit of a number. See, 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube. If you will do this and if you will add this, then you will get 153, the actual number itself. That is the reason I am saying it is an Armstrong number. So if number is equal to the sum of the cubes of each digit of a number, then it is Armstrong number. So here 153 is what? An Armstrong number. I hope you are pretty much clear with this. Now let's see next. So basically we have to get individual digits of a number, then cube each digits of a number and perform some operation. Fine, perform some operation. In the last, compare number with some value. Compare this number with some value. And if they both are same, they both are equal, then it means your number is what? Armstrong number. This is the logic that we have to implement. Armstrong number. Fine with this? Now let's go to the Eclipse and try to run the program, or try to write the program first. So I have this project already, loop demo. So com.naveen package, right click, new, then class. So what is this? Armstrong, right? So my class name is Armstrong demo. And I want main method inside this class. So I can run this individually. Remove this. So the first point is variable declaration. So before going to this part, before starting the program, I would like to revise few things to you. So suppose if you will do modulus operation like num, like hold on, like num modulus 10. So you know what you will get? You will get the last digit of a number, which is basically a remainder after dividing number divide by 10. So you will get here the last digit, or you can say the remainder after dividing these things, right? So this thing is clear. We have already covered these concepts. We have already covered. And if you will perform num divide by 10, then it will remove the last digit of a number. For example, if I'm doing 123 divide by 10, so you know what is the result? 12.3. Basically in mathematics it is 12.3, but this is int, because of that reason you will get only int value that is 12. So the last digit got removed. So make these two things pretty much clear. Now let's write the program. So the first thing is variable declarations and initialization. Okay, so I have one variable int num, another variable I am taking int temp, another variable is remainder to store the remainder, okay, after the modulus operation, and another variable I want is the sum, and I am initializing this sum with 0. For now I am initializing this sum with 0. Now I want to take the input number from the user. So I am writing the message like enter the number. Enter the number. And how to take the number from the user? How to take the input from the user? So you have to create scanner object. So scanner sc is equal to new scanner, and you have to pass here what? System dot in, and import this scanner. How to import? Control space. It will give some suggestion. Import the second one. Import done. Now You know that user is going to give the value and I want that value to be treated as int. So you have the method like sc dot next int, and you can store this into the temp variable, this number. And in the next step, what you can do, you have this num, inside this num store the temp value. It means whatever the user have entered, this thing is present in the num also, in the temp also. So basically I am going to perform the operations on the temp. So there will be a loss in the number. Okay, that is the reason I am storing this in this num. So at the last I can compare this num with the sum value. So now what I can do, what is the step? First, you can perform the modulus operation. So modulus operation will give you what? It will give you a last digit of a number if you will perform any number modulus 10. So for example, I have this temp. I want to do operation on temp. So temp modulo what? 10. So it will return me the last digit of a number, or you can say it will return me a remainder. So I am storing inside this remainder variable. And now talking about the sum. So basically sum is equal to sum plus what you have to do? Cube of the number, cube of the individual digits of a number. So that last digit is present in this. So you have to do what? Simply remainder multiply by remainder, fine, multiply by remainder. This is what cube, right? So once it is done, then you have to do what? You have to remove the last digit from the number, right? So you can perform like this. Temp is equal to temp divide by 10. It will remove the last digit. So this is what? One time. But you want how many times? The same operation? 3 times, because we have 3 digits number 153. So I want this 3 times. Or you can say I want this until my number. So see, keep this in do, and while you want this until your temp is not equal to 0. Okay, if your temp is equal to 0, equal to 0, then stop the operation. That is your requirement, right? So you can do like this, and after that you can do if sum is equal to original number, that is in num variable, then you can show to the user that hey, this num is what? This num is a Armstrong number. Or else you can show to the user that sys out, okay, that num is not a Armstrong number. So fine, save this. It is giving us a warning that resource leak is there, so you can do sc.close here. Sc.close. Fine. Now right click here, run as Java application. Provide the number like 153. See, 153 is an Armstrong number, right? Clear with the logic? What is the condition? You have to do this operation until temp is not equal to 0. Fine with this? So this is all about the Armstrong number program. So I hope this thing is pretty much clear to you. So thanks for watching this video. Please like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel.